Okay, Megan. So we got tape next. One thing you gotta watch that when you're taping is how does your tape sit on the wall. So right now, if I were to just put my tape across here, it's gonna be sticking out on top of here, right? And then I gotta taper all this in just to get rid of that, because that tape's gonna show up.
Okay.
So what we need to do is actually cut back on both sides here. Cut back some of the paint and some of the paper and make it easier to tape, basically. Now this side's tapered and it's lower. We gotta sort of have to do that over here.
So we have to cut into the plaster again?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't want the tape to be on the wall?
You don't want it to be, it will be proud of, you want it to be flush. Okay?
Flush with the wall.
Yeah. So what we'll do is this is that's same width, so you want to basically kind of center that right across the gap, like center it on the gaps. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just hold it there.
Like that?
Right? Yeah. Hold that there. Knife across here. Not to be perfectly clean here, you're gonna blend it in. Then we're gonna have to scrape this paint off. And so what we're doing is making room for the tape. And on this side, you're pretty much scraped off over there already. So I'm just gonna finish the job. We have taper here, so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, to save time, we're going to use the grinder and grind off the excess plaster, make room for tape. What we did was just try and make that, put a little depression in the plaster so there's room for our tape to sit below the surface of the finished wall. So now we're going to mud and tape.